Hello everyone, I am Gyanvi Sharma from class 8. Today I will show you all how to make a lamp with paper. Hashtag DIY for Diwali with Jeevan Aayam. Materials we need are two black sheets, size paper, tape, stapler, and any color pencils, cutter, and decorative tape, and a box. These are the all items we need to make our paper lamp. So let's get started. Now we will cut this box. Take a small piece square size paper and make a star on it. Make the star size shape on the black sheet and cut it out. Now you can see this paper. Now we will take the box and stick that paper on the one side. Now we will do it on other three sides also. We'll also apply any decorative tape for the decoration. And now we will be doing it on the other sheet. And now we are going to cut out the stars for the other side. The side stars cutout is done, and now we are going to paste it and decorate it with the glitter tape, and the other two sides are left, and we are going to do the same thing with them also. And this is the four sides of the lamp, and now light it up with the some lights.